What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. It's another video, guys. So today we're gonna have breakdown analysis. As you can see on the chart, guys, we have a UDCHF which we on daily time frame, you know what I'm saying. So if you've been learning how to analyze the market, so today is your opportunity to learn everything behind how FX Juba Snipe kills the market. So today I want to share my strategy with you all, guys. As you can see on daily time frame, this is what the market has been showing us, you know what I say. As you can see, boom, back to the zone, you know what I say. We have this, type of, movement shit, you know what I say, back to the zone, you know what I say. After this point, we can see that the market, pop it up like this, you know what I say. So let's take a look how we going to have opportunity from this market right here. So the show is going to start from here. We're gonna pull up our zone because you can see that this was the end of the market. Since the market came from over here, stop it at this point. So we also gonna start from this point to analyze the market. All right, so right now we're gonna do something like this. We're gonna pull up our zone. Since we got a 30 touches to the zone, we're just gonna do something like this. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna do something like that. You know what I'm saying? Now we can see that the market is being at this point, created the zone. You know what I'm saying? We got a first touch here. First touch is share. Sorry. So you can see that we got a first touch here. We got second touch here. And we got 30 touch here. So we're going to start from here to this point here, you know what I'm saying, just to analyze the market. Then from this point here, you can see that the market gave some, we're gonna use trend line strategy in this point in order to connect all this, all these collections, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna correct the trend line up all the way to the point over here. You feel me? So now we can see that the market has been moving on trend line. You know what I say, it's been going up, collections. You know what I say, continuation and collection. And you can see that around this point the market did give the fake out to the traders, and continue on uptrend. So currently the market is at this point. What are we expecting around this point? We're gonna take a look everything, we're gonna go over all the time frames to find out what is about to happen around this point right here. So we're just gonna clean this, and we're gonna put, this is our support, our support trend line. If you don't know how we call this support. It's a support because you can see that all the corrections, they come to collect from the trend line and continue on uptrend. So we're gonna we're just gonna clone this trend line, and we're gonna create some resistance, something like that. We can see that the market has been moving from the support. For me, the market has been moving from the support all the way to the resistance. Pull back. Now the market was trying to go back to the support. So now, since we got that, we're going to switch on low time frame, something like a 4 hours time frame. We can see now that the market, it's on uptrend. But the market is still gonna come to collect around to the support here. So let's switch on low time frame and take a look what is happening over there. So if you're new to the channel, man, my name is Juba Snipe. FX Juba Snipe. I help you understand the movement of the market, and I help you to make money in the forex market. How you know how I do. So right now we're going to take a view like from 4 hours time frame and see what is happening right here. So let me zoom in a little bit. Remember, this is our trend line from daily time frame. So right now here we have we have a zone around this point here. You feel me? You can see that we have a zone around this point, around this area right here. You feel me? You can see that we got some zone around this area right here. Alright, we have some zone around this area right here, and we can see that around this point here we had some trend line. We had some trend line. We had some trend line, but it's broken right now. It's already broken, but let me show you what I'm talking about that. The trend line that we had is this one right here. From this point of the trend line of daily, the market is been going up this way. You feel me? The market has been going up this way. I hope you can see clear. I hope you can see clear that the market's been going up this way from the trend line of the daily. The market has been going up this way. Gave us a buyer after the market touched the trend line on a daily time frame, and then went to the zone and came back to the to correct. Gave us the correction to the trend line and gave us another continuation back to the zone. After the zone, this one right here was supposed to break the zone and continue, but it didn't do that. Came back to the trend line. Feel me? And then we got this, continuation, around this area, breakout to the zone little bit, and gave us the correction. So since the market already break out this zone right here, was supposed to continue this way. You feel me? Because this was like a breakout, but couldn't do the same thing. Gave us the pullback to the zone as well, respected the zone and break out the trend line. Remember guys, we trade what we see. You understand? We trade what you see. So if you're new to the channel, you can join our free Telegram group. I do share some chart over there, some trading idea, helps you learn how to, how I do my things, Also, you can join our free Telegram group. It's free to join the free Telegram. It's free. Also, you can join our VIP group, which is where we share the signals every single day. We get the opportunity. We can trade the same market together. All you need is to join the free Telegram group, and then after you join the free Telegram group, you can send me the message. Like I want to join the VIP group. Right. So around this area right here, after the breakout, we always expecting the pullback. As you can see, pullback right here. Breakout. Sorry, the breakout right here, and we got a pullback right now, right here. This is the pullback. So right now, man, after we got a pullback, what we're expecting, bro? We're expecting something like this. So all these peeps right here, we expecting from this market right here. So let's go on 1 hour time frame and take a look what is really happening in the market. Since I already know this is a breakout, this is a pullback. I'm gonna switch on lower time frame. Let me show what I'm talking about. This is a free mentorship. You already know. Feel me? So breakout and pullback. This is what I'm expecting to see in the market. Firm. Leave the comment below if you think about anything else than this. what I'm seeing, just leave the comment below. Let me know what you think about the chart. I lied or I'm not right, you know. Just leave the comment below. Let me know anything, you know. You're free to say something, you know. So I'm gonna switch on 1 hour time frame right now, you know. I say, and I wanna know what's happening, what's really happening on 1 hour time frame. You feel what I'm saying? So as you can see, guys, this is what we have here. You know, I say on 1 hour time frame. Let me mark the market in a light way so they can see the chart. So guys, as you can see, guys, as I said, you know, on low time frame, just keep everything simple. You don't have to do complicated things. You know, I say we can clearly see that the zone, bro, the zone, we can see that the zone, bro, the zone is being respected. The zone is being respected, and we got breakout. And after the breakout, we can see that you know, after the breakout, we can see that we had at the previous, you know, at the previous zone, you know, of the breakout. Let me show you what I mean. At the previous zone of the breakout, the market didn't do any mistake, you know what I say. The market didn't do any mistake, you know what I say. The market gave us, you know, the pullback. Obvious, the market gave us the pullback. As you can see here, the market gave us the pullback, obvious, as we always expecting. And right now, guys, you can see that the market is playing around the zone. You feel me? That's how you know. And now we're expecting to drop, bro, all the peeps to this point. So you already know what is about to happen, you know. So if you're watching the market right now, and I say I'm making this video is a Sunday, you know. I say this is Sunday, you know. I said the market is I think, let me check the time. I think the market, yeah, the market it's a Monday morning, and I say the market is already open, you know. I say, so now this is what we're expecting this week, and I say something like this, something like this. This is what we're expecting this week, you know. I say something like this, you know. The reason why I'm going to I'm putting the TP around this area right here is because this is the zone of daily time frame, you know. I say maybe the market might respect the daily time frame, you know, trend line, you know. I say, and the market maybe might, you know, it might, you know, retest around this area here, you know. So this is what we're expecting this week. So do the right things, and I say this is the end of the video, you know. So you can see that we're expecting some peeps, something about, you know, something about 55 peeps, you know, and the stop loss is just 20 peeps, bro. Remember, guys, we take a risk of, you know, small amount to make a big amount, you know. I say, so this is what we're expecting, you know. I say do the right things, since you already know we're expecting this. So anytime we're gonna enter the opportunity here. So make sure I do the right things, boy. Make sure I do the right thing, guys. If you're watching, make sure I do the right things. Make sure you know, like the video and subscribe, because more content like this, they are coming. You're gonna learn and earn, because since you already know now, you can enter this opportunity and make money from it, you know. All we're waiting for right now is the market. The market is already open, but I'm expecting, you know, small like small confirmations around this area. As soon as the market is gonna break this area right here a little bit, then I'm gonna enter, you know. So peace out, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, do the right things, join free Telegram group, you know. I say let's make this mind together. Peace out. See you on the next one.